Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see your stats on Spotify, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on a LifeWire article and I do recommend you check it out. If you have any other questions, this is the title of it, but let me just go over the steps on how to just see your stats. Now, on PC or Mac, what you need to do is log into your account on the PC app, and once you're there, you just need to tap the username or user profile name in the upper right hand corner, and once you do this, you just need to select profile from the drop down menu. Once you're there, you can just tap see all at your top tracks this month. It will look something like this. You can see all of your lists, and you can just tap see all under any category, and that will pretty much show you the stats of every category individually. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, to do this on mobile, it is very easy to do. Once you're logged into your app on your account, you just need to go into your library and click on recents, or click on whichever one of these you would like, and you can just see the recently played artists, or see anything else you would like, or you can go into your profile and tap view profile, and then you can check the recently played as well. But yeah, this will pretty much show you what you've been listening to. I'm pretty sure you won't be able to see any other stats, just what you have listened to. And if you wait for an entire year or something, or until the end of the year, you will see your Spotify Wrapped, which will show you your stats, and you will just see a prompt when you enter the app to see the specific stats, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.